Did you know you can speed up the germination of garlic with a simple technique, preparing the roots for planting within just a week? This method is perfect for those looking to grow garlic efficiently without much effort. Follow these easy instructions, and you'll have garlic ready to plant in no time. Here are the materials you're going to need: a plastic bottle, a knife or scissors, fresh garlic bulbs, and water. Here are the step-by-step instructions. 1. Prepare the plastic bottle. Start by cutting a plastic bottle in half. The top part of the bottle will hold the garlic, while the bottom part will serve as the container for water. 2. Create a holder for the garlic. To keep the garlic in place, cut a small section of plastic from the neck of the bottle. Flip this piece over and insert it back into the bottle. This forms a support for the garlic, ensuring it stands upright without falling into the water. You can trim the excess length of plastic if necessary. 3. Prepare the garlic. Take a garlic bulb and carefully slice a small portion off the top of the bulb, exposing the cloves. This allows water to reach the garlic more easily and encourages faster root growth. 4. Place the garlic in water. Insert the prepared garlic into the bottle so that the bottom of the bulb is submerged in water. Make sure the cloves stay above the waterline. The flipped piece of plastic will hold the garlic in place. 5. Provide sunlight and warmth. Place the bottle in a warm, sunny location, such as a windowsill. Garlic needs light and warmth to encourage root development, so make sure it gets plenty of both. 6. Wait for roots to sprout. Within about a week, you should begin to see roots sprouting from the bottom of the garlic bulb. The cloves will also begin to separate naturally, making them easy to plant individually. 7. Plant the garlic. Once the roots have developed, carefully detach each clove from the bulb. They should come apart easily on their own. Plant each clove in the ground or in a pot, with the roots facing downward. By using this simple bottle technique, you'll achieve fast and hassle-free garlic germination. Within a week, the garlic will be ready for planting, saving you time and effort. Minimal work, maximum results. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening hacks, and share this with a fellow plant lover. Your plants will thank you. Let me know in the comments where you are watching from, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on root any branch with one simple technique.